Choosing the right soundbar can make all the difference in your home entertainment experience. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, or listening to music, the ideal soundbar delivers immersive sound, strong connectivity, and user-friendly features. Here are the top 5 soundbars currently dominating the market, each offering its own standout performance. Today, I'm counting down the top 5 best soundbars that are worth your money. This list was made based on quality research and customer reviews, and I'm going to break down each of them, including their features and benefits, so you can see which of them might be the best choice for you. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on great product recommendations. Check the link in the description for current prices, availability, and more details. At number 5, we have the soundbar for smart TV. This versatile soundbar is ideal for users looking for powerful performance and flexibility at an affordable price. With 80 W of output powered by 4 high-performance drivers, it ensures clear, immersive audio, whether you're watching movies or gaming. The detachable design allows for horizontal or vertical placement to match your space and audio needs. Its 3 equalizer modes, movie, music, and news, let you fine-tune sound profiles, while Bluetooth 5.0 and ARC/TX connections guarantee seamless setup. Combined with auto volume boost and excellent support, it's a great all-in-one solution for everyday entertainment. Coming in at number 4 is Bose TV Speaker. Bose's compact TV speaker prioritizes clarity and simplicity, making it perfect for those who want an easy upgrade to TV audio. 2 angled full-range drivers deliver a wide, natural sound, while dedicated dialogue enhancement ensures vocals remain sharp and intelligible. It supports Bluetooth and offers multiple input options, including HDMI ARC, optical, and aux. Its small footprint allows for easy placement, and the included remote offers bass boost and dialogue mode for customizable listening. For deeper bass, it can be expanded with a Bose bass module, making it a future-proof choice for premium audio in a compact form. Number 3 is Amazon Fire TV Soundbar Plus. The Fire TV Soundbar Plus offers a true cinematic setup with its 5.1-channel surround sound system, including a subwoofer and rear speakers. Featuring Dolby Atmos and DTS Conomex, it delivers multi-dimensional, theater-like audio that surrounds you. A center channel enhances dialogue clarity, and specialized modes, movie, music, sports, night, tailor sound to content. Easy to set up, it pairs seamlessly with Fire TV devices and supports control through a single remote. This is a great option for Amazon ecosystem users looking for immersive room-filling sound with minimal hassle. Number 2 is Sayin Soundbar for Smart TV. This 100-watt soundbar stands out with its unique 2-in-1 detachable design, transforming into tower speakers for broader sound dispersion. Its horn tweeter design enhances clarity and reach, while dual woofers and silk dome tweeters offer balanced highs and deep lows. With 10 levels of adjustable bass and DSP technology, users can fully personalize their listening experience. It supports HDMI ARC, Bluetooth 5.3, optical and aux inputs, and is compatible with Fire TV remotes. Excellent build quality and a 5-year worry-free warranty make this a high-value choice for audio enthusiasts who crave flexibility. And finally, our number 1 pick is Samsung HWC450 2.1C soundbar. Topping the list is Samsung's HWC450, a feature-rich soundbar that blends quality, innovation, and convenience. Its DTS Virtual X technology delivers expansive 3D sound that brings your content to life, while the included subwoofer and bass boost function ensure punchy, room-shaking lows. Adaptive sound light enhances voice clarity and adjusts sound dynamically. And game mode provides immersive directional audio for gamers. Bluetooth multi-connection and 1 remote control compatibility streamline your setup, especially for Samsung TV owners. It's the ultimate all-around soundbar for both casual viewers and serious audiophiles. These top 5 soundbars each offer unique strengths tailored to different user needs. from plug-and-play simplicity to full-scale home theater immersion. Whether you're after value, power, or smart features, there's a soundbar here that will elevate your viewing and listening experience significantly. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you find this video helpful. Let me know in the comments section which product you love the most, or if you've tried any of these already. All the product links are in the description below, so you can check out an updated price and availability for any brand you are interested in. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, as I always appreciate that. Have a great day and see you in my next video. Thank you.